Welcome to this new screencast. My name is Giltas. I'm the CTO of Rusticity, the company behind AppFunger. Today I'm going to walk you through the new features and improvements of AppFunger, of the next release of AppFunger. It will be live very soon. I want to first and foremost thank our subscribers for their feedback and their support. Without you, this new version would not have been possible. One of the requests we had was to give an easier access to the scanning features. So if you want, we call this feature Pro Layout. If you want to enable it, you just press on Settings here, and you activate Pro Layout. It's a switch. As soon as you activate it, it will be saved. So next time you log in, or if you install the app on another phone, it will be activated by default. I'm going to go back to show you the change. So here is a Pro Layout. I'm going to deactivate it again to show you the difference. So this is a classical layout here with the news and my various toolbars, toolbar on top, toolbar on the bottom. And I'm going to activate the Pro Layout, come back, and here it is. So here everything is focused on reading electronic tags. I'm going to switch on my reader. And you can, as you can see, I have aligned latest device, so my application remembers the latest device I've connected to, so I don't have to go as I had to do previously, go to the list of devices, choose my device and connect. Now I can just connect to the latest device. So I press on connect here, and I'm gonna, the application is gonna connect. So you can see the icon on the corner on the bottom right has turned to green, and I can start scanning. Start scanning. Here it is. So I have several choices now. I can get information about the horse the animal I've just scanned. Here it is. Or I can add my horse to a session. A session is a list of animals that I have scanned and that is saved. So I can start a session, I can stop it and restart it later. Let's add this horse to session. So you can see I've added it. Now on the line under session, I have one tag registered. Let's see. So my animal is here. I can add another horse, whether I go back to my screen or I just put start record here, and I'm going to scan it. So I have two horses now in my session. I'm going to stop, go back home. I have two. And now if I can go to my session and do actions, so I can delete each and every horse that is in this list, or I can add all those horses to a list. For example, if I want to add it to horse with problems, I just press there and my two horses will be added. Now you can see I have four horses here in my list. This is it for the Pro Layout quickly, so I'm going to disconnect. I'm going to maybe go back. So in the Pro Layout, you have basically the same access. It's just the layout is different to give you quicker access. Even with gloves, you can access. You can tap on the big large buttons there on the bottom. I'm gonna switch over to the classical view. So he's gonna. This is so on this green. I have the latest tag that I have scanned. I'm going to show you the search. So we have new features here. So we have noticed that users are doing many searches and therefore have a long list of searches in their history. What you can do now is you can bookmark one search. For example, if I want to bookmark, let's say, Sapphire here from MozFestPage, I can just press on the little icon bookmark and it will go up on the top. I can find Sapphire here on the top and search easily without having to scroll down. And I can take him also out of the search history. If I want to, I want now to launch a search. Maybe no, I want to have a search with more results. Let me see. I'm going to search Elborg, for example. Here it is. So you can see I have 72 results. So it's quite a long list of search. So what we have introduced is a filter here. You can see on the top I can scroll through my list. For example, if I want just, it's by country. So if I just from the US, I have one result, from Denmark, and here from Iceland, and I can also reset the filter and get back all my horses. One new feature that I'm gonna show you is if I press on Harpa here, my search, you can see there is a new icon here, message on the bottom. So now I can send any horse via email. So I just press on the icon here. AppFinder is going to gather all the information about the horse, and I can put a message. I'll put test. Yes, test, and in 2 I put the address of the destination that I want to send the message to. For the moment it's a fake email for the purpose of the screencast, and I'm going to send it and show you how it works. So now AppFinder is gathering the information, building the message, and sending it to the destination address. I sent it to myself, so I'm going to open this message. Here it is. So I have the photos of Harpa, the birth number, father and mother, and at the time of release, we are finishing this feature. You will be able to send extra information such as the shows, the breeding shows, the offsprings, and basically all the information you would like to send. I'm gonna go back to the app. We have also improved the search by judgments. There were a couple of bugs there when you want to search, so this is fixed. We have an upcoming feature that unfortunately I cannot show you now because it's not ready yet, but I can tell you that it's on this icon there on the top toolbar. It's the first icon on the left. It's a coupon system. So our subscribers will be able to have offers from our partners. We have partners that are already on board with us, and you will be able to have a special discount. So when the application will be released, the system will be ready, and you will be able to access this. This is quickly a part of the features, and please stay tuned for the release date. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.